All right, last bag. Let's see what we got here out of our box of junk. Looks like it's gold, copper, bronze. Yeah, they're bronze, all right. I have no idea what these are. They're big. Oh, these are bushings. Okay. There's a lot of bushings there. I'm gonna hit the floor. Oh, there they go. Snake eyes. 2 up, 2 down. Okay, heads and tails. Which way is which? Okay, so these are Sportster number 2 cam bushings because they're big. So that'd be number 2 cam. That's the one the ignition comes out on. This is a pinion bushing here. Some kind of a number over here, I'm sure. I have no idea what that number means. That looks like a 77 through, what year they use these up through? I think all the 4-speeds use this one and the 5-speed had the straight one. So I'm guessing this is probably 77 through 90. And these bushings here, I think it's the same year. These ones go back to 57 and they go all the way through 90. And the 5-speed bike, it just doesn't have the lip on it. So if you machine the lip off, it works on the 5-speed bike too, and goes all the way through 03, and it might go later than that. So, anyway, there you go. So I got 6 of these, and only uses one on a bike, and it only takes one of these on a bike. So there you go. So I don't know if these are aftermarket or Harley. I've never seen this packaging before, so I don't know what this is. It could be some kind of a manufacturer thing from Harley, but usually Harley stuff has Harley packaging on it, so I'm going to guess this is not a genuine Harley part. Don't know. So I'm going to guess these are probably aftermarket. And then we also have a set of thrust washers in here for a Sportster, it looks like. Let's see if I can open these up with one finger. Yeah, look at that, I can open them with one hand. Yeah, pretty good, huh? Ooh, that's genuine Harley there. It's got a Harley package on it. See, that's genuine Harley there. No doubt about that. That is a key. Made in 19. That is the T key for the late oil pump gears. Remember those gears I had in my last stuff I dug out? This is the keys for it. They were over here. That was that first box of junk we came across. These things right here. Where's the other one at? I need the straight cut gear. Should be right here on top of all this crap. Couldn't have gone far, I just slid all over at one time. Alright, there is your slip-on cheapo gears, which are terrible strength for a crank. So that key right there is you have one key cut in your shaft, and then it's got a T because it sticks out like a T. And that goes in between these 2 slots right here. See the keyway right there? And that one goes right on top of it. So the key goes in between the 2 and it drives both pieces. Very weak, because half the key is doing one job, half's doing the other, so you're trying to do 2 things with one part, that means nothing's done good. So it'll shear these off, especially put a big cam in these things, a lot of outspring tension, it'll start shearing the keys off. So usually I put sleeve retainer Loctite on these when I put them together to make them hold a little better. But that's what these keys are for. So there you go. And that's the nut that goes on top. Except it goes like that direction, that way. Okay, what else do we got in here? We got pins. These are for the roll pins here. So, oh, there's the lock tab for the nut. Great. We needed that. So, the little chunk in there goes in the shaft, and that goes on there and folds over and holds it so it doesn't unscrew. Or just tighten the nut down, put a little dab of red Loctite on it. It does the same thing. Okay, that's used. That is probably new. That's used, and this one's new. So there's the factory used set of cam thrust wash plates, and there's the other ones. So the 4-speed bikes use these things. The 5-speed bikes, I don't think use these anymore, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't really work on late Sportsters too much. Late being 90 and later for me. So I'm not sure. I think they don't use them on the 5-speed bike. So There's some kind of a rebuild stuff for an early bike, but this is the late stuff here. This is definitely late stuff here. What year did they do this? They went, well, not that late. They did this in 80, what year did they change this crap out? 88, I think, is when they switched to the slip-on gears. So this could be a 4-speed, 88 to 90. So yeah, it could be. These parts could be applicable to what's being on. And that, I'm assuming that's the Harley part number, 7044A, but I would have thought it would have had a 5-digit number on that, but maybe not. This one's at 11219. There you go. So, all right, so we got a rebuild kit here, kind of for early Evo 4-speed. Well, it'd be a late 4-speed Evo parts, because it's only 3 years. 88 through 90. There you go. All right, got a lot of good junk in this box of junk. There you go.